Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Morningstar stock data. To access Morningstar's comprehensive stock analysis and data, you typically need a premium subscription. This membership unlocks in-depth research tools, exclusive analyst reports, and proprietary stock ratings. You can also utilize powerful screeners to identify investment opportunities that align with your specific criteria and financial goals. The most common and comprehensive way to get Morningstar stock data is through a Morningstar Premium subscription. You can easily subscribe directly on their official website. This premium service provides extensive data, detailed research reports, and crucial analyst ratings. It also includes fair value estimates and the powerful Portfolio X-ray tool to analyze your current holdings effectively. Once you have a premium subscription, you can explore a wealth of features. Use the robust stock screener to filter investment options based on various metrics. You'll also gain access to independent analyst research and opinions, helping you make informed decisions. Advanced tracking tools allow you to monitor your portfolio's performance, and educational content is available to enhance your investment knowledge. To truly maximize your Morningstar Premium membership, make sure to regularly review the analyst updates and market insights provided. Customize your watch lists to efficiently track specific companies you are interested in. Consider attending their webinars for expert investment strategies and tips. By leveraging all the available tools, you can make more informed and confident investment choices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.